In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Calendar subscription step by step so you can easily keep track of someone else's schedule, a shared team calendar, or any calendar you've been given access to. This is a super useful feature if you want to stay organized without manually copying events or checking multiple places every day. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. It's best to do this on a desktop browser because the subscription options are easier to find and manage there. Once Google Calendar opens, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section called Other Calendars. Right next to that, click the plus icon. This is where Google lets you add calendars that belong to other people, teams, or organizations. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Subscribe to Calendar. This tells Google Calendar that you want to add another calendar to your view instead of creating a brand new one of your own. Now you'll need to enter the person's email address or select a calendar you want to subscribe to. If it's a shared calendar from a colleague, friend, or family member, type in their email address in the search box. If the calendar already appears in the search results, click on it to continue. Google will now check whether you already have permission to view that calendar. If access is available, the calendar will usually be added right away. But if the calendar is private or restricted, you may be asked to request access from the calendar owner. This is completely normal, and it just means the owner needs to approve your request before the calendar can appear on your account. If that happens, send the request and wait for the owner to grant permission. Once access is granted, the calendar will automatically appear under Other Calendars on the left side of Google Calendar. From there, you can turn it on or off, change its color, and view its events alongside your own schedule. This makes it much easier to manage shared commitments, team planning, meetings, or family events all in one place. And that's it. You've now added a Google Calendar subscription successfully. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Calendar guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.